What's up guys? Leaker Machinview has posted images of what appears to be the iPhone 13 Pro in rose gold on Twitter. The photographs are supplemented by an engineering sketch of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which isn't expected to be too different from the iPhone 13 Pro by Juan Rai. This is not the final version and looks like a hastily put together unit. It does seem to align with the leaked dummy units and the cases we have seen so far, with a larger and a thicker camera bump for better accommodating bigger sensors. The island also now sits closer to the edge. Although Apple is rumored to have a rose gold Pro model in the pipeline, the hue that the alleged iPhone 13 Pro unit sports is darker than the shade the Apple uses for its devices. The iPhone 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Max will supposedly also be available in black, silver, and the sunset gold. The company isn't expected to introduce a lot of changes to the new lineup, and camera upgrade is supposedly one of the things Apple is betting on to sustain the super cycle and make the iPhone 13 the best phone of the year. The Pro variants will allegedly come with a better 6 elements ultra-wide lens with autofocus. The iPhone 13 Pro is also tipped to get iPhone 12 Pro Max sensor shift stabilization technology and telephoto module. Two new video features are also on the cards. The front of the device will also seemingly get a slight cosmetic facelift in the form of a smaller notch, and they will be a little thicker overall to make space for larger batteries. Other rumored changes include the new Apple A15 Bionic chipset, LiDAR sensors on all models, and 120Hz ProMotion technology and 1TB storage options for the Pro models. The new lineup will allegedly be revealed in the third week of September. So yeah, this is for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news. And as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.